Hey, Tony DTK here. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for being here with me today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, make a comment if you like, and most of all, if you find this information useful, share it with your friends and family. So this is going to be another quick video, and it's about disputing online. It's a big, controversy about if you should dispute online or not. And I'm just here to tell you, I've been doing it for 30 years. Believe me, I started disputing credit before it was a thing. Now you got thousands of companies out there, but you need to know how to do it. So I'm gonna give this away for free. It's Black Friday there, so I'm gonna give it away for free, and then I'm gonna discount all my other digital products down below in my stand store. If you click on the stand store, you'll see the products that I have available. But this one, which is very powerful, I generally get like 10, 15 bucks for this script. I'm gonna give it to you for free. Excuse me. So, look, before you dispute online, here's what you need to know. And this was part of the script. So look, before you dispute online, you want to call the creditor, and this is how you're going to approach it. You're going to say, hey, give them your name. I saw this account on my credit report today. I'm not admitting to the debt or the account, but I want to know what it is. And then the company will ask you for your information. Give them the information, social security number, date of birth, that sort of information, verifying stuff. Then once they pull your information up, you're gonna say, okay, yeah, that's me. But one thing you don't want to do, make sure you don't give them your new address. Okay. So once they get all the information up, it's going to be one or two things. They're going to say either they're going to verify it, or if they come back and say, oh, we can't find you, hang up the phone, then more than likely they don't have your information. It's either been sold, transferred, or whatever. Then that's when you can dispute online, because if you see that item on your report, more than likely the item is going to get deleted because the company that you just called, they can't verify it. The other thing too, if they verify the account, still hang up. Say, okay, thanks, click. Still hang up. Because now you don't want to dispute that item online. You want to do it by mail. Okay? So that's the difference. If they don't verify it, dispute online. If they do verify it, if they don't verify it, dispute online. If they do verify it, dispute by mail. So really, that's really pretty much in a nutshell of what it is. It's just that simple. And all these experts that say, "Oh, never dispute online," they have no idea. But you can get this script for free down in my stand store. Click on it, free of charge. I got other stuff in there, including some of my coaching that you can do. And if you want to have some coaching with the script, you can do that also. I got that down below also. But look, I just wanted to share this with you. This is not going to work for everybody. So, but the thing about it is that if you've been disputing your credit for a long time and you've been going back and forth and they've already verified you on your second, third round, this is not for you. This is mostly for first timers or second timers, whatever the case may be. Call the creditor, whoever has that information, and ask them about the account, especially with collections and other stuff that maybe you don't even know that you even had. But once again, if they cannot verify it, more than likely they won't catch it disputed online. And generally with Experian, it'll generally get deleted within a day or two. Equifax, 10 to 15 days. Transunion, generally between 15 and 30. So look, I hope this helps you. Feel free to click the link below, and you can grab this for free. I'm doing this in honor to Black Friday and discounting all my other digital products. Okay, until next time, Tony DTK. Peace, y'all. Be good.